So here's the old disposal. We're going to be taking that one out. It makes a hellacious noise. So just get a quick view. Yes, the trap is backwards. We're going to try to fix that. The customer doesn't really want to lower the waste right now to make it right. So we'll do our best. Disconnecting the dishwasher line. Popping that old disposal off. It's kind of stuck on there, so it takes a little finagling. Alright, we got the old one off. Go ahead and tighten up and seal up the throat for the new disposal. Give that time to sit and cure. Alright, we got the new one in. Got the new power cord hooked up to it. Now, what we ended up doing is taking a trap, a different style trap, and then putting a tubular coupling on it so that it fit a little better. And then it's connecting to the tailpiece on the P-trap, and then it's like another tailpiece on the other end of the actual trap. And then gives me ability to use the full connection on the disposal side. That way we can really get it hooked up. Actually, I got it backwards at the moment. I'm figuring out it's not going to connect the way I want it to. Take her back off. There we go. Alright, everything's double checked and tightened. Now we're just going to fill the bowl, test it, clean up, and we're out of there. Another one in the books.